get it back to the position. No, it's here somewhere. It's here on top of that. Obviously, so it cannot be displayed properly. So if you run simulation, you will visualize the video display. So this is the way how you can display the video image or video file. Now let's consider how can we convert the color space. For instance, there is a color video. If we want to get a grayscale video, how can we do with it? Too many windows to have. Load some windows. So let's see how can we convert a color video into a grayscale video. And I will explain why to you later. So let's see conversions. This block is used for color space conversion. So we have to copy this block into the simulating environment. Copy it here, and then we can move it here. And then we can select what kind of conversion we need. Here in the list, you have different kinds of conversions. One is from RGB to YCBCR, which is another commonly used color space, usually used in television. And we have also used RGB to intensity. This one is usually the one to convert a color space, to convert a color video into a grayscale video. So we can just use this block to convert a color video and then display it in grayscale video. Maybe I used the wrong one. I think this one is correct, but I do not know why it's not responding. Maybe I have to restart Matlab. And I'll show you later how to perform this kind of conversion and then how to display the result. So this is one way to import from a file, import video into Matlab environment. And then how can we import, how can we display what we have with the camera? If we have a camera connected to the computer, then how can we get the video from the camera? How can we display it? Before I talk about this, I will say that there are several toolboxes which we can use for video and image processing. One is the image processing toolbox. One is image processing toolbox, which consists of several Matlab functions. You can call the functions. And this toolbox cannot be used to process videos. It can only be used to process images. The other one is the VIP toolbox, a block set, as I have demonstrated. And there is yet another one, which is image acquisition block set or toolbox. So with the image acquisition block set, it allows you to read images from cameras. Oh, well, Matlab is not okay here. Slow on this machine now. So this is the image acquisition toolbox, and we will demonstrate that one later for you. So we can open a blank model, a blank window, and then we can copy the items to the window. First, I copy and paste. And then copy the display into the and then we can color space conversion. Double-click it and convert the color space of it to intensity, RGB to intensity. So now we can display with this conversion block, displayed with monotype conversion, monotype video. And these are the ones I want to introduce to you. Now I will demonstrate how can we display the image from the video from the camera. As I said, there is an image acquisition toolbox. You double-click it. We can see that there is an acquisition device. Just so we can copy it to our block diagram and remove this part. We can paste it here and connect it like this. So it is used in the same way as we process video files. So we can display the model type, the grayscale videos here. And you can remove this part to display the color video from it.